So hello friends and welcome to the Flux studio. In this video we are going to know some AutoCAD tricks and commands. So our first AutoCAD tricky command is QDim. By QDim command, what you can do, you can select a line and you can give its dimension. So it is the easiest way to give the dimension here. Again, I want to tell you the command. It is QDim. QDIM. After that, you can select a line and hit enter. By this, you can give a linear dimension to a line. Now, our next command is BE. By BE command, you can open your block editor, you can edit your block, or what you can do, you can copy your block from here and close your block editor, and then you can paste it into your drawing file. So by this way, by BE enter, open a block, copy it by Ctrl C, close the block editor, paste it by Ctrl V and use it in your drawing file. So BE command is to open the block editor. Now if you want to convert it into a block or convert a file into a block, I have told you in the earlier videos, but I'm telling you again, you can hit B enter. By B enter, your block definition tab will be open, and then you can enter your name, you can select the pick point, you can select the object, and you can select its behavior and control, and you can then hit the OK button. So by this way you can make a block, and by BE enter you can edit a block or you can use a block into your drawing file. Now the next command is spell. By this command, what you can do, you can check your spellings into your drawing file. Like from here, there are some suggestions and you can make the changes in your spellings, or you can ignore all. By this way, you can check the spelling of your drawing file. Now, the next command is Madlib. By this command, you can export or import materials from your library. Like here, it is your library of materials. From here, you can put your materials or textures in your drawing file. Now, the another one command is 3D config. By this command, you will configure your 3D or adaptive degradation and performance tuning. You can hit or you can tick this adaptive degradation if you are having less memory or if you are having less RAM in your computer. Then after that, you can enter the degrade when FPS is below. You can enter the value as 5 and you can check all the boxes in degradation order. And in the manual tune, what you can do, you can enable hardware acceleration and you can change the value of details in your drawing file. If you want to have low detail, and if you have less memory in your computer, you can have low details of surfaces and curves. If you have more memory, you can go up to high detail with this tab. Now, the another command is stretch. If you are making a wall, like I'm going to make a wall with L enter, and I'm going to give an offset with O enter command, and I'm going to give an offset of 0.23 meters, and here I want to make a wall again with the same offset. Now if I want to stretch this wall above or below, what I can do, I can give command S enter. By this way I can stretch my wall above or below, or I can change the length of this wall by S enter. So S enter command is used to stretch your lines or polylines. Now another command is sketch, sketch. As the name suggests, you can sketch any kind of drawing in your file. Now you can hit escape to erase that sketch. Now the another command is purge. So it will delete all of the nested and unused items like layers, etc. And by this way you can also reduce your file size. So the command is purge, P-U-R-G-E, purge, or the shortcut of it is P-U, enter. And here you can purge all items. By this way you can see here you have only those layers which is useful to you or which is in your drawing file. Now another command is T-Orient. It is used to orient your text. Here you can see that I am going to select this and I am going to orient it like in this way. I am going to select my points and you can see here that this has been oriented. So our next command is to explode the text. Let me copy this text here. If you want to explode the text, you are having a command txt-exp, text explode. By this way you can explode your text and convert it into lines. Like I am going to increase its size so that you can easily see its effect. Now I am going to explode it by I'm going to explode it by txt-exp. Going to select it and going to explode it. Now here you can see that it has been converted into lines. My text has been converted into lines. So by this way you can explode your text. Now the last command is time. By this command it will display all the statics of your current drawing file. It means the commands you have used. So by this way you can see all of the statics of your drawing file, all of the commands of your drawing file. So friends, at last I want to give you overview what we have learned today. So we have learned the command QDim to give a quick dimension. So to give a quick dimension you can hit QDim and by this way you will be having a dimension. Next command was B enter. By this way you can open your block editor. Now another one command is spell. By this command you can check the spelling in your drawing file. To import and export the material you can enter the command Madlib. By this way you can import and export the material. And to configure a 3D setting, and if you want to have adaptive degradation or if you want to have hardware acceleration, you have to enter the command 3D config. Now the another one command we have learned today was stretch. By this way you can stretch your lines in any manner. And to sketch a path in your drawing file, the command is sketch, and you can make any kind of sketch in your drawing file and then you can hit escape to delete it. Another command was to purge all the nested item. The command was pu enter and you can purge all the nested item. And to orient the text in any manner, you can enter the command T orient. By this way, you can select your text and you can orient it in any manner. The another one command was to explode the text, and the command was txtexp. By this way, you can explode your text, and you can see here that it has converted into lines. Let me undo these options. And the last command was time. By this way, you can check the statics of your drawing file. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And friends, if you didn't see our first part, you can see it in our channel. And if you are a beginner, then you can see the introduction of AutoCAD and also some basics commands and options beginners should know from our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.